thing dog tracks all funny anyway. I gotta get more of these fans though. They're $8.
What?
Just for the fan itself.
Oh my god, it sounds great for me.
I didn't balance it or anything. It's perfect.
It sounds really good to me, man. It's a little higher pitch, but it sounds great.
Yeah, it's the blades are lower pitch, but the sound is high pitch,
yeah.
Which I like. It's more turbine-like.
Timer cleared. Landing.
All right, when you're ready. Okay, go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Oh yeah, that's all that was wrong. The rudder. I didn't even realize it. Are you full? Was that full throttle?
Yeah.
That was half for me. No, that's full. Woo!
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I honestly think they're pretty close.
They are.
It's just my shit's so quiet.
I'm gonna go up here at the end. Right here.
Look at that moon.
I see it. Yeah, they're pretty even.
I mean, dude, mine's a much bigger plane. It should look slow too, you know?
Yeah. No, the L-39's quick. And super stable.
Yeah. That 5's faster.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's funny because it's so quiet, you don't realize how fast it is.
Nope. It's that the Doppler effect. You don't hear it as much. Up to the moon.
It's like I don't need a Skysword. This is like a fucking Skysword. It's like similar, but real.
But that's a real plane.
I know. It's not really
Skysword is goofy as hell. No, they fly the same.
They kind of do, yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It would be similar to like the 90. God, that 90, man.
Yeah, Pete Lane still has one.
Yeah, that thing was sweet.
Right over the runway. I got it.
Time remaining 36 seconds.
Yep, time for me to come in. I'm gonna come in from the right,
seconds.
the left.
Gear down.
I gotta do a gear pass. I can't tell if my gear's out. They're out, okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Landing flaps. 3, 2, 1.
Look at those clouds.
Expired.
Fighter escort. Oh, that looks cool. Look at that. I like that.
Flaps up.
I'm going to land. Stay where you're at. I'm going to come right over you with the landing.
Are you landing?
Yeah, just stay where you're at then.
Okay. I'm lining up, that's all. There we go. The elevator is super responsive on that too.
It is.
I saw you hit it.
Yeah.
Hey, that's grass gear. You'll be good.
Dude, this gear is straight up the same as the Avanti.
It is, isn't it? I think it might be close to the F4 too.
Yeah, that trailing.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was fun.
This thing rips, huh? So as big as it is?
It's the size of a 90.
I know, pretty much. And light.
Yeah. I think I'd actually like the 90 Skysword too.
Well, you like the ease of transport though.
Although the other one's easy too because the wings come off, right?
Yeah, but then that's